What's up, guys? Hillbilly Drummer here. I had a request to do a video about my fairing on my 2016 Fatboy S model, and I'm finally getting around to doing it. Anyway, when I got the fairing, it was gloss black, so I bought some denim paint from Harley, and I have a buddy that does bodywork and painting, and had him paint the fairing for me and the bags as well. The pinstriping is orange vinyl. It's not paint. It was relatively cheap to have done. I got the fairing done, front fender, tank, and the bags, and also my rear fender done. Pretty sure there's a video on my channel about the pinstriping. The radio I put in it is a JVC KD X33 MBS head unit. Bluetooth, Sirius XM. It does not play CDs. I just wasn't going to carry CDs around with me. Just use the Bluetooth to play music off my phone, and use the Sirius app if I want to hear that. And the USB port I just use to charge the phone. The speakers are Polk Audio DB 522 5 1/4 speakers. They sound really good, actually. Now, the inside speakers on this side and on this side, I actually took the grills off and put the speakers on the inside of the fairing so I could move my bars up higher, because with the grills on, they were a little bit too low, and I didn't like the way the bike felt like that. And when I put the fairing on, my turn signals were mounted here on both sides, and you couldn't see them with the fairing on there, so I used the mounts off the handlebars and just mounted my signals down here. That way people can still see them, and it doesn't look too bad. Had to do a little adjusting to get them just right. And I also put this windshield bag on it. Just a plain Jane 3-compartment windshield bag. Usually keep goggles in there. This one's empty. Might use that one to throw my wallet in or something like that. And the CD or CD player head unit compartment does have a cover. I usually just leave it up so I can mess with the radio, but it does have that on it. But like I said, it's a Reckless brand fairing. It's a good fairing. I think it looks good on the bike, serves its purpose, and I mainly put it on there so I could put a radio on it, have some tunes going down the road. That's basically it as far as the fairing goes. The radio and speakers are all marine grade too, so if I was to get caught in the rain, nothing will get ruined or anything like that. So anybody interested in putting a fairing on a Fatboy, that's what it'll look like. I think it looks great, but that's my opinion. Hope this video will help anybody else maybe looking to do this, or just interested in the idea. And I hope you enjoy the video. We'll see you next time. Later.